Okay, hi everybody. This is day 3, ratio tables 2. So at this point, you would have done day 1 and day 2. And really, day 3 is very similar to day 2. So we're just going to go ahead and, sorry, I'm just going to hide this dude, go into our Google Slides. And you're going to see something that looks like this. So yesterday we really worked or started out working on multiplying by tens to get to that final amount. And today we're just going to do the same idea, but instead of multiplying by 10, you're going to decide what you want to multiply by that makes it easiest for you to get to that final total. So if we look at this question, it says there are 5 apples in a bag. How many apples then would be in 16 bags? Okay, so there are many ways that you can get to figuring out that final answer of 16. How many are in 16 bags? So this example here is just one strategy. Okay, you could have done it completely a different way, but making sure you're using multiplication to get to that final solution. Okay, so all you're going to do is the example that I provided is really just remove these squares to reveal what you multiplied by. But you can easily see if I have 1 and in the next column there's 2, well, what did I multiply 1 by? Obviously 2. Okay, so I remove that. So 1 times 2 is going to give me 2. And always with ratio tables, you're increasing the top by the same amount as you're increasing the bottom, by the same multiple. So if I multiplied 1 times 2, I would then have to keep the ratio the same, I would have to then multiply 5 times 2 as well. Okay, in which case I would get 10. Okay, so then let's move to the next column. So I now have two bags and I jumped to 8 bags. So what did I multiply 2 by to get 8? Okay, well, 4. Okay, so and what I do to the number of bags, I would also have to multiply the number of apples by. Okay, so which would give me 4. Okay, so 10, so I had 10 apples now, and I've increased it from 2 bags to 8 bags, which is basically timesing by 4. So 10 times 4, then now I have 40 apples. Okay, and you can keep going. So I have, I have 8 bags now, and now I have to get to 16. So I can easily just double that. From 8 to 16 is timesing by 2. And then I would do the same to the bottom. So I have 40, and I times that by 2, so that's going to give me 80 as my final solution. So how many apples are in 16 bags? Well, 80. Okay, so you guys, if you want, you can even circle your answer in the Google Slides if that works for you, or not. But yeah, so then you would move on to the next question. Okay, so there are a total of I think 6 slides in this, and you're just going through and starting with where you want to start. So here I have 4 chairs per table, so every table has 4 chairs, so then I need to get to 20, how many there would be in 20 tables. And so you can use as many columns as you want or as few as you want. So I leave that up to you, but you're basically going to be using mental math to figure out how to make it all the way to 20 tables. Now, there is this middle slide here where it gives you Malia's solution and how she got to this 8. So in the question it says, you can buy 8 balloons for $1. How many balloons can you buy for $8? And so you look at how she solved that question, and then you're going to describe what kind of pattern she used to get her solution. Then you're going to go ahead and do it, solve the same question, but try and do it in a different way. Okay? And then the 5th and 6th slides, there's an instruction on top describing how I'm wanting you to solve that and practice that. So, yeah, keep any questions you have for the Google Meet. Otherwise, bye for now.